The Ocean Dumping Reform Act of 1988 was actually an amendment to the Ocean Dumping Act enacted in 1972. This is a national environmental policy only affecting the United States. The Ocean Dumping Act has two main goals. One is to monitor and regulate the amount of intentional waste that goes into the ocean, and also to enforce research and be educated on the effects that ocean dumping has on the environment. In 1988, Congress enacted several laws that amended the Ocean Dumping Act, and it emphasized on the amount of sewage sludge that was coming from the sewer systems just being dumped into the ocean, as well as the industrial waste disposal being carelessly dumped into the ocean. And despite all these efforts, it didn't get much better right away. The Environmental Protection Agency is the agency that enforces this policy. EPA assesses civil and criminal penalties. Civil penalties go up to $125,000 for each violation, and criminal penalties go up to $250,000, 5 years in prison, or both. The law regulates ocean dumping within the area extending 12 nautical miles seaward from the U.S. baseline, and regulates transport of material by U.S. flagged vessels for dumping into ocean waters. Environmental Protection Agency designates sites for ocean dumping and specifies in each permit where the material is to be disposed. Following the 1989 Exxon Valdez oil spill, Congress passed the Oil Pollution Act of 1990. This law stated that companies must have a plan to prevent oil spills that may occur and have detailed containment and cleanup plan for oil spills. In order to maintain environmental stability, a company in the U.S. cannot ship oil unless they have presented a plan that prevents oil spills and takes precautions in case an oil spill happens. The Pollution Act also created the National Oil Spill Liability Trust Fund, which is available to provide up to $1 billion per spill incident. The Oil Pollution Act goes hand in hand with the Ocean Dumping Act because they're both protecting our oceans and the marine life, and eventually protecting us as well. Although these policies and these acts haven't completely stopped ocean pollution and oil spills, there's still a step into protecting the environment and keeping the ocean safe as well as keeping us safe.